Let's learn how to turn on live stream on Mobile Legends. You definitely play Mobile Legends, and maybe you want to recording a live stream for some donations. Maybe you want to be a popular or whatever you want, so because of that I'm going to show you how to enable live stream on Mobile Legends. First, let's open Mobile Legends app on your device, and make sure you are logged into right account, on which you want to turn on live stream. After that, in top right corner of the screen, you can see little camera icon on which you need to click. That will send you on live page on Mobile Legends. On this page you can see other people's live, and on left side you can watch by category you want. But for us that doesn't matter. So the next step you need to do is to go on Go Live option. When you do that, Mobile Legends show you a pop-up menu where is written some important things, and that important things is that you must to be minimum master rank and you need to be in top 5,000 on global leaderboards, and if you meet these requirements click on yellow button, where is written Be Streamer. Now this is your stream channel. But we are not yet turn on live, so benefits for live streaming is that the other people can spectate you stream and can donate diamonds to you. So let's turn on live stream by tapping on this turn on live stream. And from now, every yours match go live. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.